Hi, my name is Korma Agu Stockmeyer, and I am the CEO of AfroConTigbo. That's a dance company here, which means African Contemporary Igbo. And it's only contemporary because it's not traditional, and it's Igbo because I'm Igbo. I'm a dance instructor here in the Twin Cities. I teach in Uptown, 2 classes, as well as Brooklyn Center. There are different styles of dancing that I teach. There's a technique class and there's a workout class. So the technique class, I'm bringing some of the dance moves that are current right now in Nigeria and other parts of Africa. For the workout, we're adding some dance moves as well as exercise. So if you want to get your fitness on, look me up. If you want to just add some technique to your routines, look me up. To contact me, you can go on Facebook, Instagram, and just look up AfroConTigbo as it is on my shirt, AfroConTigbo, and you can find me.